Hello friends, Khush Amdeed. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Festive season is around the corner and you know that I am a home decor lover, so I thought of doing a Christmas table decoration. As usual, my idea is very simple, beautiful and budget friendly. Let's start the video and I have chosen red and white theme here. तो ये मेरा पहले का टेबल अरेंजमेंट है जो कि बहुत सिंपल और बोरिंग था. This I am going to convert into Christmas table decor. तो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ से सारी चीज़ें हटा दूंगी. Will replace this table cover with another one which is not new. I have already used it. Table cover जो है वो नेट का है और इसमें पूरा हैंड वर्क किया हुआ है. Since it is a red white theme, so the base color I am using as a white. On top of that, the decoration will be red color. Christmas decoration में Christmas ornaments, then candles, fairy lights, flowers use होता है. I have used some decor hacks in this video. Here I am using my red dupatta as a runner. Basically I am creating a centerpiece जो कि Christmas table का main attraction होता है. I am placing dry flower wreath जो कि मैंने IKEA से लिया था, buy one get one free में था. This you can buy from any local shop also. You will find many options. तो इस तरह से मैंने दोनों रीत को अरेंज कर दिया है. बीच में मैंने एक कोस्टर रख दिया है. Then I am placing a flower vase. So this is the basic arrangement of centerpiece. Now we have to decorate it more. तो उसके लिए मैं यूज़ करूँगी candles, Christmas ornaments, then fairy light. Since it is a festive time, so you can find things very easily in your nearby shops. Placing 2 candles on either side of the flower vase. I don't have fresh flowers, so I am using the artificial flowers, but you can use the fresh flowers also to decorate the centerpiece. Now placing the Christmas ornaments around the candle. So with this the centerpiece is done. Now we'll arrange the dining part of the table, which includes plate, cutlery and napkin. So this is very important, that how you place the napkin and how you arrange the cutlery on the table. Because my centerpiece is red in color, so I am using all other things in nude shade. Keeping in mind the Christmas theme, you can decorate your table in many ways. I am just giving the basic idea. Cutlery I am tying with the red knot to balance the theme. Dining part is almost done. Now placing the fairy lights to give the festive look. Without fairy lights, the decoration is incomplete. With minimal arrangement, you can enhance any space. Oh my god, it is absolutely stunning. Now you give your feedback in the comment box that how is it looking. एक लाइक तो बनता ही है इस अरेंजमेंट के लिए, because with minimal ideas I have created elegant and beautiful table decor. Come to the second table arrangement. So here I am using the base as a red color. Theme will remain red and white, but for centerpiece I will use white. So here I am using a bed sheet as a table cover and my white dupatta as a runner. placing white plate to decorate the centerpiece. Now placing a Christmas tree. Surrounding Christmas tree with Christmas ornaments. As I told you, the decoration is up to you. Now placing one star and then decorating with fairy lights. Now we'll decorate the either side of the Christmas tree, so I'm using my bottle art. This bottle I made recently. You can watch it on my channel page. Now placing two glass upside down, and this I will use as a candle stand. So in all I am using things which are red and white in color, and it has to go with the theme also. So the centerpiece part is done. Now we'll arrange the dining part. My table cover is bright, so I am using white crockery to balance the theme. Here I have tied the cutlery with white flowers which comes in the Christmas decoration. It is looking very pretty. This cutlery tie is looking awesome and the camera is not justifying it. Overall, this setup is also mind-blowing. Now you tell me in the comment section that which setup you like the most. From my side, a big thumbs up to both the arrangements. It is not necessary that to elevate your space you need a big budget or you have to spend a lot on decor and style. With minimal things also you can style your space beautifully and elegantly. I am signing off with a note that if you have a passion for home decor, then you can create a lot of difference in your house with the existing element you have. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our creations, the home of art. Wishing you a very happy Christmas and happy holidays in advance. See you with a new idea. Till then, take care, goodbye and have a nice day.